ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। Hari Om. So in last class we did the revision of Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Then we saw the Jaras Shabda, Jara Shabda, which gets this Jaras Adesha when there are Ajadi Pratyas in front of it. And then there is one Shabda, Gopa, Akaranta Strilinga Shabda, but it is not Abanta Shabda. Generally, Strilinga Shabdas are either Ikaranta or Akaranta. So Gopa also appears just like Rama or any other Akaranta Shabda, but it is not Stri Pratyaya Abanta. So it is different from general Abanta Pratyaya Shabdas. So Apratyanta Shabdas. It itself inbuilt, it is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda, and therefore some work will be different. So work which we have already seen when we declined Vishwapa, Vishwampati iti Vishwapa. That we declined. Same thing happens. But there was something to see that Vishwapa Shabda we had seen this Sarvanama Sthana Saudhnya, Asarvanama Sthana Saudhnya. Sarvanama Sthana Saudhnya, Asarvanama Sthana Saudhnya is given to Pratyas. And when those Sarvanama Sthana or Asarvanama Sthana Pratyas are there in front of Anga, Anga gets some Saudhnyas. Here we are. Gopaha Vishwapa. Now, the first 5 pratyas, those 21 pratyas are there, Su, Aujas, Am, Uchas, Tabhyam, this. In those first 5 pratyas, Su, Aujas, Am, Out are named as Sarvanama Sthana pratyas. Sarvanama Sthana is the name given to them. And remaining pratyas are called Asarvanama Sthana. Those which are not Sarvanama Sthana are called Asarvanama Sthana. It is not separate Saudhnya, but it is given using the Sarvanama Sthana pratyaya, Sarvanama Sthana Saudhnya only. Now, among those Asarvanama Sthana, there are 2 types of pratyas which are Ajadi and Anajadi, or Haladi we can say. So, Ajadi and Haladi. Ajadi Asarvanama Sthana, Haladi Asarvanama Sthana pratyas. Now, what happens? This exclude the Ajadi Asarvanama Sthana, Haladi Asarvanama Sthana. Did I write pratyas? I have not written pratyas. So from here onwards, the Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan Shas Pratyaya is Ajadi. Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan, Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachan, Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachan, Shashti Ekvachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana, Saptami Ekvachana, Dvivachana, and yeah, that's it. These pratyas are ajadi asarvanama sthana pratyas. Now Gopa Shabda we are declining. Gopa Shabda we are supposed to decline. Gopa Shabda is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda, but it is not Abanta Shabda. And after keeping this categorization in mind, we have to decline this Gopa Shabda. So, Gopa. Why we are saying? We have seen the normal Akaranta Shabda. We have finished that. Jara Shabda is the normal Akaranta Shabda. After that, Sarvanama Shabdas. Akaranta Sarvanama Shabdas. That we finished. And then this Jara Shabda, which is little bit different. It gets Jaras Adesha. It is Akaranta, but it gets Jaras Adesha in some cases. That Shabda we finished. Now it is another Akaranta Shabda, but it is not Abanta, and that is getting discussed here. Pa, Dhana, Su. So Ukara disappears, Sa remains. Gopa, for Akaranta Shabda we use this Halingyabhyo Dirghat Sutisya Pruktam Hal Lupyate. Sutisi iti etasya apruktam hal lupyate. So Sakara disappears in the case of Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Rama Sa becomes Rama, Sakara disappears. Here it does not happen. Why? Because Halingyabhyo, Hal, Ni and Ap, these are the three types of Angas. They should be. Either Anga should be Halanta or Nyanta or Abanta. It is not Halanta, it is not Nyanta, it is not Abanta. Therefore, Sa does not disappear, it remains as it is. So we get Gopas. Sakara turns into Rukara, Sasayusho Ruhu. So, Goparu by Ruhu. Then Ukara disappears, Refa remains. Gopar. Lopaha. Lopa takes place. Final answer becomes ready. Gopaha. Refa turns into Visarga. Karavasana. Visarjaniya. Visarjaniya Gopaha. Now, this is Ekvachana form. Gopaha. Gopa Dhana Au. Here is the thing. Gopa Dhana Au. What will happen here?
Vridhirechi.
Yes, but first sutra will be prapta. One sutra will be prapta. What will be the prapta sutra?
Pratamayoho Purvasavarna.
Yes, Pratamayoho Purvasavarna. First Vridhirechi will be prapta. Pratamayoho Purvasavarna will come. It will do bada that Purvasavarna Dirgha should take place, it will say. But then one sutra will come and it will stop. Dirgha Jasicha. When it is Dirgha, then in front of it, whatever is the Ijadi Pratyay is there, then the Purva Savarna Dirgha will not take place. Then again, Vridhirechi becomes Nirbadha and gets applied. Vridhi takes place. Vridhirechi. Savarna. get gopau. Ready? Gopau. Gopaha, gopau. Again. Yes. Jakara disappears. Chutu. Us remains. Gopa us. Here the Prathamayo Purva Savarna is Prapta. Again, Dirgha Jasicha is applied, and we get the Akasavarne Dirgha. Goparu. Gopar and Gopaha. Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan and Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachan, both the forms are same. Gopaha, Gopau, Gopaha. Now, Gopa, Dhana, what will happen here?
Amipurvaha.
Amipurvaha. Purva Rupa will take place. Prathama Purva Savarna will not be applicable. Akasavarne Dirgha, Prathama Purva Savarna, and then Amipurvaha will be applicable. Gopa, then out. Here also, what will happen? Same prakriya which we did for here. First Vrittirechi will come, then Prathamayo Purva Savarna will come, then Dirgha Jasicha will come, and again Vrittirechi will become applicable. We will get the form. Gopa, then Shas. This is where we are supposed to work. Gopa, then Shas. Sh will disappear. Gopa, Dhana, As. Lashakvatadjite. Gopa, As. This is the condition in front of us. Gopa Shabda, Gam Pati iti Gopaha. That's how it is there. This is the Gam Pati iti Gopaha. From this Pa Dhatu, Pratyaya has come. Okay. Everything disappears. Pa remains. Pati iti Paha. Gam Pati iti Gopaha. Because Pip Pratyaya is there, therefore it does not loses its Dhatutva. It has Dhatutva. Therefore, Dhatu Saudhnya is there. Bhuvadayo Dhatavaha, the Dhatu Saudhnya which is given to this, is still there, even though it has converted into noun. Generally, it drops the Dhatu Saudhnya, but Pip Pratyayanta Shabda does not drop its Dhatu Saudhnya. Now, Gopa Shabda is having Dhatu Saudhnya as well. And in this situation, Sutra comes Ato Dhatoho. There is the Sutra. The Sutra meaning is Ato Dhatoho is Akarantah Dhatu. The Dhatu which is Akaranta. And it is Bhasaudnyaka Anga. And there is Ajadi Pratyay in front of it, then only it becomes Bhasaudnyaka. So the Bhasaudnyaka Angasya Atah Lopah Bhavati. So Akarantah Yah Dhatu Tasya Bhasaudnyakasya Angasya Lopah Bhavati. Oh, here only. Akarantah Dhatu Tadantasya Bhasya Angasya Lopah Bhavati Syat. So where does it become bha saudnyaka? When there is ajadi pratyaya in front of anga. Ajadi pratyaya in front of anga. What are the pratyayas? Su, au, shas, ham, out, shas, a, bhyam, bhis, ye, bhyam, us, su. These are the pratyayas. Now, first 5 pratyayas are sarvanamasthana pratyayas. Remaining are asarvanamasthana pratyayas. Among them, wherever we find the ajadi pratyaya, all these ajadi pratyayas, when those pratyayas are there in front of any anga, anga is named as bha. Sutra is yachibham. Yachibham. When there is yadi pratyaya and ajadi pratyaya, ajadi pratyaya in front of anga, any anga is named as bha. भसंज्ञा भवति. When there is yadi ajadi pratyaya tasmin pare sati, tasmin yadi ajadi pratyaya pare sati, angasya bhasavඥा bhavati. Anga is named as bha. Generally, do you remember this the prakriya we had done? We had seen this. Pada saudhnya is given to any shabda when it is connected to either sup pratyaya or ting pratyaya. So suppose if Rama, we want to give a pada saudhnya to Rama, it has to be connected with swadi pratyaya. Means one of these pratyaya should be connected to that Rama. Then only Rama shabda becomes pada. This is common rule, suptingantam padam. But further it goes like when there is a sarvanama sthana pratyaya in front of anga, before getting connected to swadi pratyaya, that shabda becomes pada, or that shabda gets pada saudhnya. Okay, so swadishu asarvanama sthane, here it is the sutra, swadishu asarvanama sthane, स्वादिषु प्रत्ययेषु परतः पूर्वं पदसंज्ञं स्यात्, पूर्वं अंगम पदसंज्ञं स्यात्. Before getting connected itself, it is considered as pada. Okay, so in that way, when Gopa is there or Rama is there, any shabda is there having these pratyayas in front of them, before getting connected to these pratyayas, it is considered as pada. In the case of first 5 pratyayas, after having connected with this pratyayas, it is considered as pada. Okay. Now this is utsarga saudhnya. What is utsarga saudhnya? The asarvanama sthana pratyayas are there in front of anga. Anga is named as pada before getting connected. Okay. Now one more saudhnya is given. What? If it is ajadi asarvanama sthana, then anga will be named as bha. Okay, so first is pada, second is bha. Now this bha saudhnya, using bha saudhnya, some specific works are given. Using pada saudhnya, some works are given. So here our example was Gopa, which turned into गोपा धन अस. This is ajadi. This is asarvanamastana. It is ajadi. Because it is asarvanamastana ajadi, therefore anga is named as bha. Anga is named as bha. Now, because it is bha saudnyaka, and it is akaranta, and it is dhatwanta, it is dhatu is having at the end of it. Okay? So it is akaranta dhatwanta shabda getting followed by ajadi pratyaya. Therefore, akaranta anga is getting named as bha. Tasya bha saudnyakasya akarasya lopasya. If any anga ending with akara, and that akara is at the end of dhatu, and it is the whole shabda is named as bha, then the akara of that shabda disappears. I will repeat once again. There is a dhatu akaranta. It is in the anga. Whole anga is named as bha. Then that akara of that bha saudnyaka shabda disappears. What is the this meaning is of which sutra? So ato dhatu akarantah yah dhatu tadantasya bhasya angasya tadantam भसौज्ञकम यद अंगम तस्य अंगस्य लोपः स्यात्. तस्य अंगस्य लोपः स्यात्. कस्य लोपः स्यात्? आकारस्य लोपः स्यात्. अलोन्त्यस्य. By this sutra it comes as paribhasha sutra. So it's not that whole anga disappears, but the last letter of that anga disappears. So thus here the pratyas are given which will give the sarva bhasaudnya. Shas, ta, nge, ngasi, ngas, os, am, ni, os. These are the pratyas where the anga will be having bhasaudnya. Everywhere else it will have padasaudnya. Now the gopa shabda was having bhasaudnya, having shas pratyay in front of it, which is ajadi asarvanamasthana pratyaya. Ajadi asarvanamasthana pratyaya. Therefore it was having bhasaudnya, and because it is bhasaudnyaka akaranta dhatwanta, therefore akara disappears. So next step becomes gopa as. Gopa and as. A disappears. Gopa 0 as. Then we have to just put together gopas. Further sasajukhoru goparu. Further disappears. Upadeshajano nasikait tasya lopah gopar. And then final form is ready. So karavasanayo visarjaniya gopah. गोपाः गोपौ गोपाः गोपाम गोपौ गोपः. तृतीय विभक्ति एक वचन गोपा धन टा. It is ajadi asarvanama sthana. Therefore anga is bhasaudnyaka. Because anga is bhasaudnyaka and ending with akaranta dhatu, angasya lopah bhavati. So akara will disappear. Gopa a ta. Gopa a. Gopa a. Akara will disappear. Step I will write. Gopa a. 0 a. Sutra is ato dhatu. And form is ready. Gopa. Gopa dhanabhyam. गोपा धनभिस् ससजुषोरुः खरवसानोर्विसर्जनीयः गोपा भिः. गोपा धनङे Here.
Naraj,
Yes.
sorry to interrupt. About Shas,
Hmm?
isn't there that Sutra Auto Shas? Shasoho?
Autom Shasoho talks about this ओकारंत शब्द.
Oh,
आ औतः अम शसोः.
we can't use that. Okay, go. Ah,
It
the
is
Akaranta. Sorry.
this शब्द is आकारांत. It is applicable for ओकारांत शब्द.
Om. Because that word came, no? Auto, so I was.
No. गोपा नहीं. सूत्र औतोम शसोः. आ ओतः अम शसोः. आकारः स्यात् कस्य ओतः अम शसोः पूर्वपरयोः. So when there is or shas in front of okaranta shabda, the okara of that shabda and akara of this and shas will be replaced by akara, asyat. That's what. And then we get this go, dhana, go, O will disappear, A will disappear. Next step, both of them are replaced by akara. So, G, A, S, Gaha. S turns into Rutva and Visarga. Gaha. Same is Gam. In the case, instead of us, put and do the same prakriya. Gam. We get it. Here the anga itself is not okaranta, it is akaranta. Therefore, the prakriya takes place like this. Now,
Thank you.
Go, pa, dhana disappears. Ekara is there. Go, pa, a, dhana, a is there. Ato dhatu ho. Yachibham, anga is having bhasaudnya because ajadi swadi pratyay is there in front of anga. Now, because it is having bhasaudnya, therefore ato dhatu ho sutra comes and it says that if akaranta dhatwanta anga is there and it is having bhasaudnya, akara of that shabda will disappear. So akara will disappear. Gopa 0 is then final form is gope. चतुर्थी विभक्ति एकवचन. गोपा धनभ्याम. Just simply we have to connect gopabhyam. Gopa dhanabhyas. We have to connect sasajoru kharavasana visarjaniyah. Sa will turn into visarga. We will get gopabhyah. Then nasi. Ajadi swadi pratyay is there. Because ajadi swadi pratyay is there, therefore anga gets bhasaudnya. Because it is having bhasaudnya and it is having dhatu, which is akaranta at the end, akara of it will disappear. So, gopa धातु गोपस गोपरु गोपर गोपः then धन भ्याम just you have to connect them अभ्याम गोपा धन यस गोपा धन नस सेम प्रक्रिया गोप आ धन अस गोप आ will disappear because आकारांत धात्वंत अंग it is and it is having भसंज्ञा therefore तस्य अंगस्य लोपः स्यात् गोप अस रु पर final form is ready गोपाः sorry गोपः गोप गोपा then os what will happen here
वृद्धि वृद्धि
आतो धातुः here also
आतो धातु same only because it is ajadi swadi pratyaya therefore anga is named as bha because anga is named as bha and it is having akaranta dhatu at the end ato dhatu sutra is applicable akara disappears so we get the 0 pos और अवसान विसर्जनीय हो then gopa धन आम what will happen here
आतो धातु
here the generally we use hrasvanadyaponut but it is not nadyanta
No.
it is not hrasvanta nadyanta abanta therefore the hrasvanadyaponut will not come because nut is not there nami is also will also not come we will apply the ato dhatu sutra gopa I will disappear am will remain am am is ready गोपाम गोपः गोपोः गोपाम गोप ते गोपा धन नी here लशक्वतद्धिते गोप आ धन ई आकारांत अंग आकारांत धात्वंत अंग having bha संज्ञा आकार of that anga will disappear so 0 form is ready gopi धन os same prakriya because it is all these pratyas are ajadi therefore this ato dhatu is applicable gopa gop a धन os I will disappear ato dhatu gop os Gopos. So will turn into ru. So will show ru. Goporu. Gopoho. Karavasanayor. Upa. Dhana. Sup. What will disappear? Halantyam tasya lopaha. Su will remain. Upa. How to connect it? Connect. Asu. Sambodhana. Sambodhana will be just same. He Gopaha, he Gopal, he Gopaha. No change. So same prakriya as we did for Prathama Vibhakti. Because it is not Abanta, Akara will not disappear, and this. What the sutra we use for Abanta Shabdas. What is that sutra? That Rama becomes Rame, He Rame. That sutra also is not applicable. Raswasya gunaha, there is no guna for akara. No. Raswasya gunaha, raswasya gunaha will not be applicable. Because it is not Hraswantanga. So you will not be able to bring the guna. It is Dirghantanga. Rama Shabda, Rama is not Hraswantanga, so Hraswasya guna will not be applicable, and moreover, guna belongs to he.
Eng
ह्रस्वात् सम्बुद्धेः लोपः भवति. एङ्गन्तात् ह्रस्वन्तात् सम्बुद्धेः सकारस्य लोपः भवति. So that sakara disappears because of that sutra.
Sambuddhaucha.
Buddhaucha. Sambuddhaucha sutra comes, says that when sambuddhi pratyay is there in front of abantanga, abantanga turns into ekarantanga. Ekara happens. These sutras. Osicha, then this Angi Chapaha, Osicha, Sambuddhaucha. These are the sutras in same order. All of them they do the ekara. Okay. So that sutra becomes. But this sutra, Sambuddhaucha sutra, will not come here because it is not Abanta Anga, and therefore we will get from He Gopaha, He Gopau, Aha. Just the Prathama Vibhakti Prakriya, no changes. So here is the full Shabda. Gopaha, Gopau, Gopaha, Gopam, Gopau, till this normal Prakriya. Gopaha, here the Ato Dhatoha Sutra is applicable. Gopa, Gopabhyam, Gopabhi, Gope, Gopabhyam, Gopabhya, Gopaha, Gopabhyam, Gopabhya, Gopaha, Gopoho, Gopam, Gopi, Gopoho, Gopasu, He Gopaha, He Gopau, He Gopaha. So wherever there is Ajadi Anga, Ajadi, Asarvanamasthana, the Akara of that Anga has disappeared. And just simply it is connected. In short, what all you want to say. Now this is the Prakriya. So Gopa Shabda is just like Vishwapa. Vishwapa is also declined in the same manner, and that's why the Granthakara said that Gopaha is just like Vishwapa. Gopaha Vishwapavat. Okay, Gopaha Vishwapavat. This is this clear? Gopaha Vishwapavat.
SG.
Yesterday we saw Tasya Purane Dat. Puranarthaka Pratyas we saw. This, we had discussion on this. The question was asked by Prachidanandaji. We did the Siddhi of Dvitiya, Tritiya, Dvestiya, Tresam Prasaranancha. Tasya Purane Dat is Samanya Pratyay for all Sankhyas. Then this Shat Kati Katipaya Chaturan Thuk for 6 means Shash and Chatur for this 2 Shabdas. The Thuk Agama comes. Okay. That was the Prakriya. So in short, I will show here. Shash. Here comes the Dat. Dat is Tasya Purane Dat. Ta will disappear. This da will disappear. Only a will remain. Shash. Now, when there is Dat, one agama comes, Thuk agama comes. So, Thuk agama comes to Shasha, and then there is A. What is the sutra? Shat Kati Paya Chaturan Thuk. Shat Shabda, Kati Shabda, Katipaya Shabda, and Chatur Shabda. For these 4 words, Thuk agama comes. That is the meaning. So it remains like Shash A. Disappears, U disappears, only Tha remains. Halantyam Upadeshajanasakait Tasya Lopaha Tha remains. Now it is Shash Tha. Now here one Sandhi takes place. Do you remember the Sandhi which is applicable here? Shtunashtuhu is the sutra. So Stoho Shtuna Yoge Shtuhu Syat. So Tha will turn into Tha. Tha. And then it will be declined to just Shashtha, 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 Shashtam, Shashtam, Shashtan. That's how it is declined. So Shashtha Shabda means the Shat Sankhyayaha Puranam Shashtha. This Kati and Katitha, Kati and Katipaya. Kati becomes Katitha, Katipaya becomes Katipayatha. So in Hindi, if at all someone wants to ask, okay, कौन सा पहला? Katitha. Katithah balakah. Katithah क्रमांकः. That's how it is. Then Katipayatha janaha. How many people had come? So that's how this Thuk agama comes. Now, Chatur is the main. Chatur is the Shabda. And there comes the Dat by Tasya Purane Dat.
Ji cha chu itself.
Ji, what?
Chatur. Chatur chu.
Oh, sorry.
Down.
Chatur. Chatur Dat. By Purane Dat. Same prakriya happens. Chatur. A remains. Then Thuk agama comes by Shat Kati Katipaya Chaturan Thuk. So th, nothing happens, just they get connected and we get from to th, and then it is declined chaturtha, chaturtha, chaturtha. Okay, this is one form. Now in this षट् kati katipaya chaturanthuk, here one sutra is there. So that is छयतौ दीर्घा I am not able to recollect the Vartika. चतुरश्चेतावाद्यक्षरलोपश्च, वार्तिका. चतुरः is chatur, then there comes cha pratyaya and one more chatur, there comes ya. And what is the vartika? चतुरश्चेतावाद्यक्षरलोपश्च, चतुरश्चेतावाद्यक्षरलोपश्च, चतुरश्चेतालोपश्च वार्तिका है. What is this sutra saying? Chaturah, of chatur shabda, for this chatur shabda what will come? Cha pratyaya will come and yat pratyaya will come. So this is cha pratyaya and this is yat pratyaya. Ayata vadyakshara lopascha. Chayata. What is prakriya for this? Now one more sutra is here. This cha, the chakar of cha. Okay, I will write chatur. Cha in tadhita prakarana. There is these pratyas are tadhita pratyas. One more sutra comes. Cha gets replaced by iya. Chatur. This in the place of cha comes. Sutra is aya ne aya ne ni yah aya ne ni cha dham pratyayadinam ayaniyah padakachakam pratyayadinam. So here it gets like ayan iya ayan iya sorry ayan iya first iya and then iya. These will come in the place of a
Ini you left ini.
and in
Ayan.
Ayan.
ini.
Eya.
Ini.
Ha. Ayan, Ian, E, ha. Sorry. Oh, Gha, I have not. Sorry.
Ina.
Correct. Ina, I have not. In.
Ina, yeah.
Here it will come. Cha.
Chaka.
Ha, kha, cha, gha. Ha will be replaced by ayan. Dha will be replaced by a. Kha will be replaced by in. And cha will be replaced by iya. Gha will be replaced by iya. They should be, this pa, dha, kha, cha, gha should be pratyayadi. They should be at the beginning of pratyaya. So here it is cha. So cha, tur, cha got replaced by iya. Okay, chatur got replaced by iya. One more karya.
Turiya.
Yeah. This here has
Turiya and
happened.
Turiya, though both are there.
One work
I
is
covered this in class. In those who are attending
Acha.
this
Turiya.
Panchikaranam, in that we covered Turiya and Turiya both.
Acha. So, okay, in short, I will cover. Now this iya comes and one more work happens. Chaturaha, cha pratyaya, yat pratyaya happens and adyakshara lopascha and adyakshara disappears. Okay. So we have to bring cha pratyaya as well as we have to make disappearance of first letter. So here first letter is group of letter. It is not just cha. First letter is cha, but cha and a both letter disappear. So tur have brought and then this is there. Tur iya. And then it is declined. So cha disappears, cha comes, cha gets the akar of cha, this chakar of cha gets replaced by iya and we get turiya form. Again chatur and yat is there. Here it is simple chatur ya and this cha disappears. I think here the prakriya is as it is. Turiya and Turiya is the Puran of 4 Sankhya. Turiya. This is the prakriya. I hope this prakriya is clear. This.
Yes.
This ayaneniya padakajagam pratyadinam. And then there is one more sutra. Tidhane dveshes dagne matra step. So this sequence, but that one is easy than this one. It is also easy only, but the sequence to match always struggle. So when Tadida Pratyaya we are studying, we used to keep this chart. I had made one table and I used to keep it up. So whenever this any one of these pratyaya used to come, we have to, though it is simple, but it just misses. So this Turiya Shabda we saw, and now one Shabda is remaining. I don't know. Then almost we covered everything in this Tasya Purana. It is Eka. What about Eka? What about Prathama, the first one? It is not tasya purana, because there is only one number, so it is not tasya purana, but there comes the unadi pratyaya. Prathe ramach, amach pratyaya comes, amach. So prath dhatu is there, prath prathayati means to publish or to spread. मतलब ख्याति फैलना, that is the meaning. Suppose the fame is getting spread everywhere, in that way it is used, or something getting published, or something we are publishing or announcing. So from there the amach pratyay is used and shabda is coined, prathama. Okay, pratha dhatu and amach pratyaya, prathama shabda is coined. That becomes the prathama adi. That's what the meaning is. Now Koshakara gives direct shabda prathama and meaning is adya, adi, the first one, or the mukhya or pradhana. That is the meaning of prathama shabda. So either we can say it as aunadika shabda, or we can say that it is as it is. Okay, vyutpatti paksha, avyutpatti paksha in both. So that is prathama shabda, and remaining shabdas are tasya purane, dat and then mut, thuk. These agamas are done and shabdas are siddha. After this, apart from these shabdas, ekadasha, dvadasha, trayodasha, vyumshaha, then ekavimshaha, triumshaha, chatvarimshaha. That's how the tasya purananta, puranarthaka shabdas are coined. Okay. This is done. Vishwapa, Gopa, this Gopa Shabda is just like Vishwapa, and that's where we have concluded. Next Shabda is Mati. Mati Shabda is there. Now Mati Shabda we have to decline. Let's decline. Mati and Su. What will happen here?
Sasajusharu.
Sasajusharu, Matiru. Here. Matihi. Then Mati, then Au. What will happen here?
प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्ण.
प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्ण दीर्घः स्यात्. इको एनर्जी is प्राप्ता, it's badhita, and prathamayoः पूर्वसवर्ण takes place. So mat are replaced by पूर्वसवर्ण. Shabda is siddha, mati, just like Hari Shabda. Dhana, just. Ja will disappear, As will remain. Mati, Dhana, As. What will happen here?
Jasicha. Jasicha.
So Guna will take place. Prasvasya Gunaha, Jasicha. These sutras will come one after the other. Prasvasya Gunaha Syat, Sambuddha Pare Sati. Jasi Pare Sati, Api Gunaha Syat. So, E, As, E. Prasvasya Jasi Pare Sati Gunaha Syat. What sandhi will take place here?
HOM.
Yes. So will turn into Ru. Matayaru. Yar. Sarjaniyaha. Matayaha. Mati मतयः. So here the mati shabda prathama vibhakti is complete. Dvitiya vibhakti onwards we'll see tomorrow. Is it fine, Swamiji?
Yes, we can see in the next session.
Yes.
So
Yes,
the class will be at 8:15
Okay.
until 30th, mean this month.
Okay, Swamiji.
Then our Aarti will finish at 8:15, so we will have to do before our Aarti. So I will let you know the time. Most likely it will be 5:30 to 6:30 or something.
Okay, Swamiji.
From April. Okay.
Okay, Swamiji.
Okay. Oh.
We'll do Shanti Bhava. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ. हरि ओम.
हरि ओम.